Hi, today we're going to create a list of images with the option to sort them by simply clicking and dragging. As you can see, I'm dragging the image from the third position to its first, and the number also updates after I've dropped the image. So if we go back to our editor, if you've downloaded the exercise files, you're going to have three folders: CSS, images, and JS. Inside of the CSS folder, you'll find the core.css file. Inside of the images, there will be nothing. I've already placed 6 of my images. Obviously, you're going to have to get some images, crop them to the relevant dimensions, and load them to this folder. Then we have index.html file with some basic structure of the page. And then we have a JS folder with jQuery and UI package as well. You can obviously download the latest version of both. Then we have core.js, which is where we're going to be adding some JavaScript code. Now, index.html, we're going to start with some structure for our images. Very simple structure. We're going to start with a section with the ID of wrapper. And in between our section tags, we're going to create UL with the ID images. Inside of this, we're going to have li with the image tag, source for our image, which in my case will be images 01.jpg, the first image. Then we'll have some alt tag with some description. Then we will have width, which in my case is 200 pixels, and height is also 200 pixels. Then we can close our image tag. After our image tag, we're going to have a span with the number of the image, with the position basically of the image. So now if we copy all this, I'm going to paste it 5 more times because I've got 6 images. So 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to change numbers of the images, and obviously order number as well. Okay, so now I'm ready to start working with the CSS files. You can see all of our jQuery, our JavaScript files are also included, same as our CSS files. Obviously, make sure that the versions correspond to the files which you have inside of your JS folder. So now if we open a core.css file, and we're going to start with the definition for all of the tags, margin, which will be 0, padding also 0, border we want none, outline none, we put color as 333, then we have font size as 12 pixels. Then we go for our body tag. We have font family, again Arial, Verdana, and sans serif. Then we have text align center, padding 30 from top and bottom, 0 left and right. Then we have line height at 20 pixels, and background, I want to have it as 172 D3B. Okay, after our body tag, we'll have our wrapper and our images. Width for both of them will be 675 pixels, and text align will be left. Then we have definition for wrapper only, which will be margin 0 from top and bottom, and outer on left and right. Then we have a look at our images on ordered list, which will have list style of none. After this, we look at our images li, and images li will have float left. We have display block. We have width of 200 pixels. We have height of 220 pixels because we need some extra space for the number at the bottom. Then we have a cursor, which will be pointer. After the cursor, we'll have background as FFF, which is white. Then we have margin, 0 from the top, 5 from the left, 5 from the bottom, and 0 from a left. Then we have padding, 10 pixels, and we're going to apply border radius, WebKit, border radius, and it's going to be 7 pixels. Then we have Mozilla, the same thing, mouse border radius, and we're going to have 7 pixels as well. And last one will be simply border radius 7 pixels. Okay, after this we go for images li active, the class which will assign to our li tag when we will be dragging the li tag with the image, and we're going to assign background color to the specific tag when we drag into 4C96D8. And then we have images li span. We want the font weight to be bold. So that's everything in our CSS file. Let's move to the next video and look at our core.js.